Society calls this success. A Tesla lease, a $15 salad, and a job you hate. Yeah, that's their way. A hamster wheel they built to keep you running, spending, and totally stressed out. But listen, there's another way. A rebellion they really don't want you to know exists. Meet Normal Steven. He's doing everything right, at least according to them. He buys the status symbols, he swipes the card for junk he doesn't even need, and he feels that quiet panic. You know the one that hits when the money runs out. He's trapped in a cage he can't even see. And then there's this guy. Meet Mr. Stingy. Look at him. See how calm he is? That's not an act. That's real. He's not following the crowd because he's not even playing their game. He's playing a completely different one. The game of freedom. So here's the secret. The one crucial difference. Normal Steven buys status, shiny objects that become worthless the second he gets them. Mr. Stingy buys time. He actually buys back minutes, hours, and years of his own life. The only thing you can never, ever get more of. Let's make this brutally real for a second. That $15 salad? It's not $15, it's 40 minutes of your life. 40 minutes you will never get back. Gone. Traded for something you'll forget about by dinner. And let's be crystal clear, this is not about being cheap. We're not talking about reusing tea bags or any of that nonsense. Being stingy is a power move. It's a strategy. It's about being absolutely ruthless with your money so you can be radically generous with your life. So while Normal Steven is over there trading his life minutes for things that disappear, Mr. Stingy is doing something totally different. He takes that exact same money and buys assets, things that make money for him, even while he sleeps, compounding forever. And the formula? It's so simple it changes everything. 1. Cut the waste. Every dollar spent without thinking is a moment of your life you just gave away. 2. Buy assets. Make your money work for you. 3. The whole point, the grand prize. You own your time. You wake up and the day is yours. So hear me on this. You have to stop being normal. Normal is broke. Normal is stressed. Normal is trading your one precious life away for a paycheck. You are meant for so much more than normal. So the choice is right here, right now. Are you going to keep walking down Normal Steven's path? Or are you going to jump over to Mr. Stingy's? Is it the life they sold you, or the life you build for yourself? Whose life are you going to live? This is the end game. This is the ultimate prize. It's not a car. It's not a watch. It's waking up on a Tuesday morning and knowing, deep in your bones, that this day, this very minute, belongs to you and you alone. Look, this isn't just a channel. It's a movement. It's a club for people who are completely done playing their game. And your new life? It starts with one click. Join the Stingy Club. Hit subscribe. Let's get rich together.